Now this is a fish that a customer brought in. It's called a parrot fish, or parrot cichlid. One of the most ugly, deformed, unfortunate species of fish this hobby's ever seen. These fish are created by people. They are not naturally occurring. They do not breed true. They are a genetic mutation of various crossbred fish. Some people love them. I reckon they're ugly as hell. Anyway, tell us what you think. What do you think of parrot cichlids? I love the real parrot cichlids and natural ones. This thing looks like a bloody parrot. And it looks gross. Give me a natural fish any day.